how to get Minecraft education on your PC. This method is completely free, and if you're a student, it'll just give you Minecraft for completely free. So, first thing you guys want to do is make sure your browser is running. In your browser, what you guys want to search up is Minecraft education. And in here, you guys want to click the first link. And here, you guys want to click download Minecraft. Right here, choose your device. If you guys have a Windows PC like me, you guys want to choose this one. Right here, it's going to say Minecraft Education download or view and store app. If you guys press download from here, it's going to take you to Microsoft Store. This is only if you want to download Minecraft from the Microsoft Store. If you guys don't want to do that, what you guys want to do is go back, get to home. In home, what you guys want to do is press educators. In here, scroll all the way down, and right here it says download for a free trial. In here, you guys want to press your preferred device and then click on it. Right here, Minecraft is going to start downloading from your browser. So if this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help.